Hey everyone, this is your host Vanessa. Imagine waking up one day and realizing your Facebook account is under attack. Scary, right? Well, that happened to me. Today I'm going to share exactly what to do if hackers try to break into your Facebook, how to stop them fast, and how to protect your account for good. I got an email saying someone from Agisan tried to log in into my account. Even though if my current location is I'm here in Dumaguete City. So that made me really alarmed. And when I check, I was shocked to see another number link into my account that I don't even recognize. And I don't use any WhatsApp, by the way. That's when I knew my account has been compromised or that my Facebook was under attack. Here's what you need to do immediately if this ever happens to you. Change your password right away. Don't wait, do it the moment you notice any suspicious activity. Just click on the link and it will guide you through the process step by step. It's going to redirect you to this page. Yes, and I don't need to do it now since I've already completed mine. Simply continue and finish what needs to be done right away. Don't delay. And this is a must. You have to turn on the two-factor authentication. This is your strongest shield against hackers. Just click on this link marked in red and it will guide you through the process step by step. I have already completed mine, so please continue and do yours if ever you haven't done that, and then turn on the two-factor authentication. This will really save you a lot of headaches and regrets later on, promise. And another thing, a must thing to do is to sign out all of your devices login into your Facebook account. To do this, you click on this menu marked in red, and then once you're here, you click on this logging in with accounts, and then click on see where you log in, and then click on this marked in red, select all, and then you click on log out. This is to kick out anyone already inside your Facebook account using it. So this is just for your safety and precautions. If it's too late and you're not able to save your account, here's how hackers might use it against you and why you must act fast. They'll message your friends and family pretending to be you, often asking to borrow money. So make sure to warn your loved ones right away using another account. I always inform or warn my friends if one day they receive a message from me asking to borrow money or telling them to send funds to a GCash number that isn't mine. Please don't trust it right away. Always give me a call directly to confirm. If there's any doubt, double check with me first before sending any GCash money. Here's a real example. My good friend's mom account was hacked. He urgently asked all his friends and family to report it, and that quick action helped stop hackers from scamming even more people. Please take action immediately. Don't let your friends or loved ones become victims. Hackers win when we stay silent, but when we stay alert and informed, they will lose. Another way is they'll spread scams, usually through fake investments offers. For example, my elementary teacher shown on screen her hack account was used to promote an FX trader. The FX trader's name is Evangeline Johnson FX, and this is, she said, her company Bitcoin crypto trader in Brooklyn, New York City. And then um, here's her instructions. So she wanted it for payment for Bitcoin. KYC, know your client. Since the hacker had control over my teacher's account, if you question or ask my teacher, it looked like she was personally vouching this trader was 100% legit. You could see it in her chat. Here's how the scam worked. They asked for a 6,000 joining fee. So for every 6,000, you're going to earn 60,000 pesos within 48 hours profit in return. So tempting, huh? And look at the rest of the brackets. 7,000, you're going to earn 75,000. So once you pay, according to them, once you pay the 6,000 joining fee, they'll give you access to this fake trading website, which also looks like a legit and convincing. But it doesn't stop there. Soon they'll demand even more money, like the 18,500 for the so-called trade update, promising you'll get your profits only after you pay for this. Of course, it's another scam. It really sounds too good to be true and so tempting. Because look, for every 50,000, you'll get 375,000 profits in return within 48 hours. If this is the case, then I don't have to work anymore. But please don't be a victim. Another red flag is if you try to call them, they won't answer. They'll just keep making an excuse and keep asking for more money. If you look and check at Evangeline Johnson's Facebook account, this is what you'll see. It's designed to slowly convince you and make you think that she's for real, especially when the endorsement seems to come from someone you trust, like your favorite teacher, or probably coming from a doctor's account that they hacked. This video is all about spreading awareness. If you found it helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more practical tips, and most importantly, share this with a friend so they stay protected too. Remember, hackers win when we stay silent, but when we stay alert and informed, they'll lose. Stay safe, everyone. This is Vanessa. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.